What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you this ceiling fan that's in my aunt's house. So yeah, let's get into it. Has a 3-way light kit. Pretty nice fan. I like it, me personally. Let's start it up on high, and here we go. The fan is says it's a listed fan accessory from March 3rd to March 2004. Got mixed up with the date for a second there. Blows very, very good air. Although there are a bunch of vents in my aunt's house, like one right here. You can probably see up there. I'm gonna give it a good look. Yeah, you can see it like right there. There's also a smoke alarm right here, because I know some of you fan collectors also like some smoke alarms. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys that. Not gonna press anything because that might break it. And I'm gonna fix my aunt's smoke alarm later. So yeah, not gonna get that on video though. Here's the fan on high again. Let's turn that to medium. Here's the fan from a different angle. Medium looks like high, but like it kind of does nothing like the low speed. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you. The smoke alarm is right next to a nozzle in case there was a fire. I never really touched that because I'm afraid like if it will actually go off. But yeah. It's a good look at the fan. Turn this baby to low. I don't know if UL fans are pretty common or not, but I'm just gonna say this one is not rare, but just uncommon. That's all. Sorry if there's noise in the background. It's just the neighbors upstairs. I'm gonna give you guys an overview. I'm gonna try to get around here. You're on the ceiling right now. Guys, let's turn this baby off. I'm just gonna wait till it officially slows down all the way. Oh wait, hold on, it's an Emerson. It's an Emerson. It's an Emerson Hugger. Yeah, it's an Emerson Hugger. I thought it was a UL fan. I'm a dumbass. I didn't even see the Emerson Hugger label right there. This is Emerson right there. You can see. I'm such a dumbass for not even noticing that. Alright, let's there we go. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. Yeah. See you guys and have a great Saturday. Bye-bye.